Namaskar. Friends, today we'll be talking about some post lockdown 2.0 effect and care to be taken. We have discussed enough about COVID 19 and followed religiously our Prime Minister Modi ji's instructions and have come back where we can complete lockdown period to start working. Soon the lockdown period will be over, and I'm sure it will be over soon. First thing to look upon is hygiene. Self hygiene, hygiene at home, hygiene in transit, hygiene at workplace, and back home. It's very important. This COVID 19 has taught us a lot about the hygiene. After coming out of the house, after several days, make it a point that all things you use should be sanitized properly. Your vehicle, nearby places, clothes, your wallet, tiffin bag, office bag, even pen pencil you use should be properly sanitized. Keep all things sanitized, clean and ready to use. Clean clothes are more important than iron clothes. Avoid touching or handling unwanted commonly used areas. For example, handles, railings, doors. Shaking hand should be replaced by namaskar. Eating in common plates, etc., should be avoided. Keep yourself restricted to yourself only. Long idle period of your vehicle needs pre-starting inspection, which is very important. Check for battery, electrical connections, which may have damage because of some insects, rats, cats, and some bearing movements, tire pressure, and then one can start the vehicle. Now, today the mask is compulsory and mandatory whenever you are out. Even though you are in your vehicle, you are in your car, the mask is must. Make a practice to sanitize, disinfect vehicle and commonly touched areas like, as I said, knobs, handles, dashboard, steering, etc. Keep a small bottle of sanitizer handy to clean as and when required. Keep it in mind and follow government directives. This is for you all who are out for a long period. Now, the measures to be taken by owners, factory owners, management people, office in charge before starting their offices, workplaces, shops, and shop floors. First thing is to sanitize complete area by chemicals allowable by government notifications, starting from entry point to the last exit point. Spraying disinfectants as per guidelines of COVID 19 in workplaces. Hand washing techniques with soap and water. Using of mask, disposal of mask, and preparation of 1% sodium hypochlorite is specified in the guidelines. For industries, it will be a mandatory by government in future. That means they will incorporate such things in the acts, for example, Factory Act, Labor Act, or various acts. All indoor areas should be mopped before starting, as I said, with disinfectant with 1% sodium hypochlorite or phenolic disinfectants. Carefully clean the equipment and machinery before starting or switching it on. This is very important. After cleaning and before starting, even a small computer like this laptop to a big size machine like 500, 600 kVA power machines, check for following few points are very much essential. Check electrical wiring, earthing, electrical connections, electrical cables, neutral, phase and all supplies. Because the long period of closure may affect the wiring. It must have been by damage by rats, cats or insects, or because of unused areas. Check supply before switching the machine. Check wires as I mentioned. Check continuity with the tester or meter, whether there is a continuous supply in one wire or there is some leakages or breakages in the wire. Check that before starting the machine. Check and clean the functionality of moving parts like bearings, pistons. Check oil level, fuses, SMPS before giving final supply. Whether these pistons are moving up and down, the bearings are moving it or not, or they are jammed somewhere, then try to concentrate on that, clean the dust inside and make it a smooth bearing effect for that. Just give supply complete one cycle once, wait for some time before second cycle, and after once it is through, then you can start working the machine. Second important point is training to workforce, and workforce to get training is very important. All and everybody, even the owners and the workers and even security person, should download this Ayush app and update their knowledge about this virus. COVID-19 guidelines issued by government must reach to grassroots level workforce. This is very important. Some of the very important directives, SOP shall be forced. That is standard operating practice, it will be enforced. Wearing mask, keeping social distances, avoid outside food, say namaskar instead of handshaking. Talking to or dealing with outsider should be strict and should be recorded properly. Security person or reception should be trained to deal with outsiders. Visitors, use of sanitizer, hand wash, no entry without mask, checking with IR thermometer, providing hand gloves if required is necessary and mandatory. Keep distance in sitting area, conference room. Rearrange your sitting arrangements in the office so that the proper distances can be maintained. Once visitor is out, try to sanitize that area so that if suppose there is any infection, it should not be carried away. Try to have one person handling with outsider, if required with PPE, that is protection equipments, personal protection equipment. Government may and will amend the directives as and when required and found practical. Our suggestions may help government in deriving proper guidelines. So, my friends, do suggest, do send your suggestions. We'll have to keep some time in between two shifts to sanitize the whole workplace. At least at this stage, initially, we have to do that. Try to avoid one lunch time. Can divide in 3 to 4. For example, earlier your lunch time is 12 to 12:30. Make it in 3, 11:30 to 12 for 30% people. For remaining 35%, make it 12 to 12:30, then remaining 35% make it 12:30 to 1. So on, you can adjust that, and you can avoid the contact, one gathering together. By this we can have more sitting place also, provide good quality of water, hand wash and hand washing if equipments also. Hand washing arrangements are very much essential because this is frequently required, at least for another 1 year or so. Most of the industries, we are providing safety shoes to workforce. If we provide a shoe rack where these outsider shoes can be kept, and that too if we arrange it to keep it outside our shop floor in open space, the contamination or the carrying of virus or the shoes may carry the virus can be avoided. For businesses and establishments, there will be challenges initially, and then making them as a practice. Initially it will be a tough time, but gradually it will be a practice. Government rules and regulations will be amended as per the situation. Various new policies will enforce. Unorganized sector should have to organize for their existence. This is very important. Those who were not affected due to demonetization, implementation of GST, other new acts will accept this COVID-19 challenge and can work smoothly, I am sure. Customers may change the specification. Overseas customers will have new demands from product to packing standards. Surely this will be better for environment and to fight against this global virus. New business opportunities will also come. To grab it will be will be the need of all. Medical, pharmaceutical, hygienic and chemicals, protection kit manufacturers will be in demand. Adding some such facilities to your existing plant may also give growth and sustainability to your existing business. Funding MSMEs and business, new government schemes will be in force, and banks will also be liberal for their sustainability, I am sure. Proper care, timely action, keeping watch on government directives will show the path, will lead the path. Be positive and enjoy. Accepting the challenges, surely one can succeed. So be safe, my friends. Save others. As our Prime Minister said, "Jaan hai to jahan hai," and I'm sure hum honge kamayab. Stay safe. All the best. Jai Hind.